Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to enable Launchpad on the Discord app. Launchpad is Discord in-app activity discovery and launching system. It is the rocket ship icon on the bottom left of your server list on desktop or in the channel list on mobile. Its purpose is to help you quickly start playing games, watching videos, or using apps with your friends without needing to leave Discord. Now, if you want to turn it on, you tap on your profile icon at the bottom, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, then scroll all the way down until you see Advanced. Tap on Advanced and you can see Launchpad here. So you want to turn it on. You have three ways to turn it on. You can use the full screen gesture, you can use the right edge gesture, and you can use pull tab gesture. Now, if you use pull tab, it is using a persistent pull tab element on the right of the screen to activate Launchpad. And if you use the full screen gesture, it means you are using a global right to left gesture to activate Launchpad. But note that it will disable the swipe to reply function in your chat and requires the right edge gesture to drag chats back in due to gesture conflicts. If you decide to choose the right edge gesture to activate Launchpad, it means you are using a global right to left gesture to activate Launchpad that you activated from the right edge. On Android, this might conflict with your system gestures if you have them enabled. And while this keeps swipe to reply enabled, there may be conflicts that needs to be fixed. So choose the one you want and you use that to activate it. Let's say I want to use this. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.